Welcome back. What do we have today, Ainsley?
Let's do the...
Can you show them what kind of slimes do we have?
Yeah.
What's this one? What's this one? What slime is this?
Foam slime.
Alright, show them. Show them.
Beep, beep, beep. Hello? Yeah. Bye.
Show them up close. Okay. Alright, then show them these three.
This is blue, Elsa, pink Anna, and for Kristoff, green.
This is for Kristoff, Anna, and Elsa. Okay, you want to do Elsa's first? Okay, we'll do these three later, right?
Back.
You want to open it? Whoa! Open it. I can do it. Are you excited? Are you excited for the slime? Here you go. Whoa.
And we put it on the ground first. Clap, 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 clap.
Whoa.
I'll show you something.
Alright.
I'll show you something.
Okay.
Coffee.
That's coffee?
Hmm?
Oh. Can I check? Can I feel it? Is it cold? Oh. Ooh, it's cold.
The hair's coming. Oh
Oh no.
no! Look, how
Whoa. Okay, here you go. Okay.
Coffee.
What else can you do with the blue slime? Whoa. How long can you pull it? Here. You go on that side. I go on this side.
Not with the hair.
This here.
Back. Put it back.
Yeah.
Put the back. The
Okay,
hair.
pull this side.
No, the
No,
hair.
just- Here you go.
I'm gonna make some coffee.
Make some coffee. Mm-hmm. That's cool.
Much.
Way too much.
Here's for me.
That's for you.
Yeah. It's me. Just the slime, the yes.
Are we moving on to that one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's put away Elsa's slime. Okay. Oh, you want me to open it? What did you think about the teal slime?
That's why they like foams.
The blue slime. Huh, Ainsley?
Really soft.
Ainsley, what did you think about this slime?
Maybe it's like UV shower.
Gooey? That one. This one's cool.
Yeah.
This one's teal.
Okay.
What?
Here.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
Oh, look.
That's cool. This one's Kristoff slime?
You know, wait. They're too much.
That's too much.
Now let's do the pink one.
That was fast. You don't want to keep playing with this?
Oh, please open this one and you can open this one and open this. Let's try together.
Oh, both of them at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. Go back there.
Woo.
Okay. Now sit down. Here you go.
Rub, rub, rub.
Don't mix them, okay? Now this is the teal slime. Teal. Oh, focus. Focus. There.
See too much.
There's the pink one. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, oh.
See too much.
At this one.
Put it here.
Try to put squeeze it inside.
You have to catch it.
Okay, I'll catch it. Ooh, ooh.
You got
Good,
it.
you got it. Whoa. Let's try this one. Dumping it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Some slime on me. Can you get that slime on me? Please? No.
Rub it.
Rough it.
Have some.
It's gone. That's good. They're gonna put the vlog in slime.
No, don't do that. That's mine.
Hey.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
It's cold on your toes.
Oh my god, it's cold. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ah! We do hamster mouth. Then we do the
Hatchimals.
We do a hamster over this week. Then we face blood. Okay. Now we sleep.
Look, Angie. Angie. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Way too much.
Go.
Okay. Let's do this one. That one. And next, do the blue one first.
I thought we all did the blue one.
Oh yeah, the green and the pink. We do the blue one.
Then we do the foam slime. Dun dun dun. Give that one to me. Hey. Are you done with those slimes?
No, I have to pop it.
Not yet? Okay.
No.
Done? Okay. Hey, you mixed up the containers. This is not pink. Is that pink?
Okay, that's not.
Alright, put the pink, put the teal here. Oh gosh.
The teal.
Put the teal here.
No, the teal's here.
No, that's the pink one.
That's the blue one.
That's the pink one there. Oh! Alright, now put the teal one here. Good. Right, go back there more so that they can see you. Go back there more so they can see you. Okay, now open it. Twist it. Can you do it? You got muscles. You want some help?
It's working, it's not.
There you go, you got it. Great. What? Smells weird? Give me a little piece. Oh. Whoa. What does it smell like? Oh. Smells like paint, right? Oh. It's hard, right, Ainsley? Ainsley, is it hard? Hi, Ainsley?
Next one, we do the other one, and then we do the slime.
We'll do these ones again?
Then we do the slimes. Then we're gonna go in the kitchen and check out the one plate. That one.
We're gonna cook the slimes in the kitchen?
Yeah, we
It's crazy. No. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Go, 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 go!
Ah!
Go, go, go!
Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna put the slime, the vlog, in foam slime. Bah. Boop. Do you like this one? I like this one. Ainsley, guess what? Ainsley, guess what?
There you go.
Ainsley, guess what? He got tricked. Boop. Like this, Ainsley. 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 Ainsley! Oh no. Don't get me. Don't get me. Got you. You took my ball. What'd you make? Whoa. Lion? So do you like this one? So out of the 4 slimes that we have today, which ones do you like the most?
1, 2, 3.
No, pick one. The foam slime? The the blue slime? The teal? Or the pink one?
I usually like.
No.
All of them! Oh no!
Which one do you like?
This,
Which one do you like?
I like this one, this one.
Those two? You just pick one.
Maybe I want 2 of them.
Maybe you want 2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. You like the blue one and the foam slime. That's your kitchen, yeah. You kiss your kitchen. Oh no. In the back? Alright, come here.
Okay, I like to do it. Wait. Try them.
Can you pull it? We'll show them.
For them.
Can you pull this? Slowly. Look at that vlog. Whoa. Shh, vlog, shh. No, just keep playing, Andy. Keep playing. Oh. Hey! For that. Hey! She's a cheater. What the? Ow! Ainsley, sit down. What the? What are you doing over there? In the sink? Oh my goodness. Hey! We gonna get you. Come back here. Wow. Oh, is that Queen Poppy? Queen Poppy, don't take our slimes.
No, spring it. This is mine.
Well, I'm gonna use this foam stick and throw it at you, Queen Poppy.
Here.
Ah! Got you. Haha. Whoa. Let's see this toy. Who is this, Ainsley?
Queen Poppy.
Queen Poppy. The troll. Look at her hair. Boom. And then in the back there's like this little thing. And go right. Boop. 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 That's cool. Oh. Can you make a tower with your foam slime? Can you?
No.
No? I can. Watch. Can you give me the other slimes? First you have to roll it. Oh.
I'll show you.
That's your tower? I'm gonna beat your tower.
Dun, 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 dun.
I think I can beat your tower, Ainsley. There. Oh. What? Knock that over. Ah! There's some more foam slime in here. Boop. Boop. Drop it. What are you doing again with the slime? You're not washing it with the sink, are you? You are. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness. Come on, Ainsley. So, do you like these? What is Daddy doing there? Daddy, go back. Go back to your house.
Mommy, see, I want to play the slime.
No! let it go under the couch. Oh, man. Now I have to go get it. She's an evil. Shh, guys. Watch it. Got you. Get it. Angie, get it. Angie, get it. Did you put that slime in the fridge? What are you doing?
Take a shower.
Go get that slime, Ainsley, please. And sit down back here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Clean it and Mommy, look. Clean it and.
What the? Give me this. Get out of our slime.
Help me, stop.
Pull it, Ainsley. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'll get that. Hey. Oh no. Ainsley, it's sticky. Is it sticky? Or no? Huh? Tell the vlog what it feels like, the foam slime.
Maybe
What does it smell?
yucky.
It smells what?
Paint.
Tell the vlog it smells yucky.
Paint. Oh well.
Oh well. Yeah, it smells really weird, right? Why is it like that? Queen Poppy, now you're taking our slime? Oh my god. Now I have my foam wand. My wand! Queen Poppy, you can't see. Whoa! Ew, the vlog is falling. Did you do that? Oh my goodness.
Let's get your wand.
You. Look, it looks like poop.
I need to see Mommy.
Andy, help Queen Poppy. Thank you, Ainsley. Now where are you going?
I'm sorry.
So this slime. Now look, I made a longer one. Are you? That's fine. La 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 la. Hey, Queen Poppy.
No.
Ah, Queen Poppy power. It smells so weird, right? That's cool. Your slimes are cool, Ainsley. What are you doing? What the? Are you cooking it? Ainsley's going weird again.
Oh, sorry. What was that? Let's cook and slime now. Let's go.
Cook it, okay. Turn it up. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. You dropped that. We're gonna hide the slime. We're gonna hide the slime. What? That's not slime, that's an egg. Like, you got tricked. Say, I got twicked.
I got tricked.
That's cool. Are you cooking it? Cook it. Do you think we should say bye?
No, not yet, guys.
We should say bye now.
Why?
Come over here. We'll say bye, okay?
Wait a second.
Okay.
Hey guys, you wanna go play Barbie Camper or not? Let's play Barbie Camper.
It's slime. We're playing with slime. All right, we should go say bye, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, guys. Hope you like this slime.
Hope you like the slime.
Very good.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe,
Subscribe,
like,
like,
and share.
bye.
Bye.